Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see about report of attendance present absent. So let's see about that how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Attendance Present Absent Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to employees and see here this menu full print report. Now click on add here start date. I want to print 23 to 25 and select here department. I select research and development. Now click on this print Excel and see here printed report of present absent report. Display here start date, end date. I did select department research and development. So print here total present 3 and absent is 4. Present employee name display with work hours and absent display here only name. I select 23 to 25, so display here 23, 24 and 25. You can easily see here based on date. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.